through there.
Hi, Achy Dad here. We got an RC car. I'll put the model number up. Where is it? Go ahead. Pure ice, so it does get stuck. I don't think it has fixed four-wheel drive, but definitely the four wheels work. Crank up the minimum power to the maximum speed.
No, Dad, that didn't do it.
It will. This trim is for the steering, which works well. This is rudder trim, which I think is for planes.
I don't know.
All right, not super fast till you're away from things it can hit.
Go!
Pretty good.
What? Go! Okay! Go! Whoa! Yeah. It can really roll.
It's my first RC car that's four-wheel drive, steers both ways, independent suspension, soft tires. Ooh. Okay, go again. The trim is off.
Yeah.
Now, of course, people out there know tons more about this than I do, but I noticed when you're going super fast and you let go and slow down, it turns and skids. You see that?
Yeah.
You're not a figure eight, a loop. When someone's first learning, keeping it slow is important and telling them to let go of the trigger if they stop seeing it or it hits something.
Let's go.
You can go up to snow. Just there you go. All right, go backwards. There you go. And turn the other way. Other way. Other way. The way, no, you keep turning that way. Turn the, there. Oh, stop. One of the things you can't do is hold the trigger down once you hit something.
3, 2, 1.
Now if it's stuck, I'm going to turn I'm going to go really slow.
That thing is nuts.
I'm going to see if I can make it all the way up.
Let's see if this beast can do it. Go! Zoom, zoom!
Whoa!
This thing's a beast.
Anyway, have fun out there. And remember, if it's a race car, get 2 so you can race. Because going around by yourself only lasts so long.
So long, my friends.